Elsewhere across Ohio, temperatures were between 56 and 61 degrees. Rain was falling at Worcester, Akron-Canton Regional Airport, Youngstown, and Columbus. It was partly sunny at Cincinnati and Dayton. It was cloudy at Lorain, Marion, Toledo Express, Cleveland, and Findlay. Reports from nearby cities outside Ohio and
This is a test of the Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WNG698 listening area of north central Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The current time is 11:21 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is North Weather Radio WNG698 from the National Weather Service forecast office in Cleveland.
Every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.
The zone guard went, it was just a late activation, and it didn't get the test stored, but it went 1050 Hertz first and then same headers, but it's working, I think.
The Lake Erie short-term marine forecast.
The ER10 sounded funny, though.
Fog advisory in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. Rest of today, so...
I might have to hook the external antenna back up to it, but hey, new year, new setup, new camera, new everything. Even the 261 went off. I am excited. This is gonna be a great year.